All right, let's look at question 11. Question 13. It says, given that x plus y equals to 1 and x plus 3y equals to 5, find the value of x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. All right, this is a simultaneous equation. So we can say x plus y equals to 1 is equation 1. And x plus 3y equals to 5 is equation 2. All right, so we can use the elimination method by eliminating x. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So this becomes x minus x goes off, y minus positive 3y. We are left with negative 2y is equals to 1 minus 5. We have negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 2, the coefficient of y, which is negative 2. So our y will be equals to negative 4 over negative 2, which is equals to 2. So the value of our y is 2. Now substitute the value of y into equation 1. So wherever we see y, we put 2. So this becomes x plus 2 equals to 1. Take this 2 to this side. Subtract 2 from both sides. X will be equals to 1 minus 2, which is equals to negative 1. So our x is negative 1. Our y is 2. So look at what we asked to find. So our x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. So wherever we see x, we put what? Negative 1. So this becomes negative 1 squared plus 4 into bracket. Our x is negative 1 into bracket y is 2 plus 3 into bracket y squared. That's 2 squared. 2 squared. So negative 1 squared will give us 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, that's 1, plus this 4 times negative 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times 2, that's negative 8. So this is 1 minus 8 plus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have, this is 1 plus 12. That will give us 13. 13 minus 8, that will give us 5. So which is option B.